everybody, welcome to Healthy Habits. We're going to be making 3-step cookies. 3-step cookies are a simple and healthy recipe that everyone can enjoy. For this meal, all the ingredients we need are any kind of cake mix, eggs, and vegetable oil. Let's get started. First, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grab a baking sheet. Then let's line the sheet with parchment paper and set it to the side. Now let's mix our ingredients. We're going to grab a large mixing bowl and place all our ingredients inside. Let's go ahead and mix them all up. Let's scoop out our mix and place them onto our tray. Finally, let's bake our cookies for 9 to 10 minutes. Wow, they sure look great. 3-step cookies are great and easy to make. We hope you enjoy it.